Hey friends, if you wish to enable and use voice typing in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's the thing. One thing is that you can search for voice typing in the Windows search bar and then open its settings and then you can turn it on. Okay. But I will tell you a better way, the exact way on how it is intended to be used. Press Windows plus H and it will start the voice typing feature. Then you can start speaking here and see that it's typing. This is an excellent feature. This is an excellent feature. It is typing here by my voice, and I will mention the shortcut here again. Windows plus H. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.